How to add Roblox to Steam. So first, just open up your Steam app, then log in, then click on the library right here on the top. Once you're there, just click on add the game. And once you've clicked on that, these three options will pop up. So you will need to click on add a non-Steam game. And now these will show. So these are basically the apps or programs that could add to Steam. So just scroll right here till you see your Roblox player. So just simply click on the Roblox player right here. So I have two because I had multiple downloads back then, but for you it should be on only one. So just find the Roblox player, then just simply click on the tick box right here. So click on it, then click on add selected programs. Now once you click on that, it will automatically be added to your library right there. So I have mine right here, so click on it, and it looks pretty basic right now, but you could just change it right here. So you could just click on set custom background. So click on custom background and this will pop up where you could just basically choose any background that you want. So you could make a custom background or you could just simply find something on the internet, download it and just put it right there. And now let's try to open it. Just simply click on play and just wait for it to open. Now it's loading. Now as you can see it says installing Roblox, so it is now currently open right there. Now once that's done, your Roblox should automatically open up just like that. And that's how you basically add Roblox to Steam.